Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First thing first, I'm really sorry for not having posted any videos in, I don't know, I think it's been 5 months. Anyway, for such a long time, sorry for that. Today finally I uploaded new videos for you guys. Oh yeah, I wanted to say sorry first because I can't edit with my laptop. I don't know why. It said that the app is not supported, and I tried my best like for 2 hours straight. I think it's 3 hours straight to try to download another app that can edit my videos, but it just can't do that. It's just not working, so sorry for that. Anyway, back into the video. The first one, if you have a minimum lightning photo, you don't need to you don't need to put any extra editing tools such as exposure and stuff like that. You just need to put filter and voila, you're done. And for the second one, it's like this one. If you have a much brighter photos, you need to turn off the exposure. So in this video, I'm just gonna explain about that. And one day, maybe I could put a ring on your finger before you change your mind. And I was falling when I looked inside your eyes. I know you are, but what am I? Tell me, have you seen a sunset turn into a sunrise? Kiss right through the night. 'Cause we should try that sometime. Hold you to the morning. And if I say I'm falling, would you just reply? I know you are, but what am I? What am I? Tell me, have you seen a sunset turn into a sunrise? Kiss right through the night. 'Cause we should try that sometime. Hold you till the morning. And if I say I'm falling, would you just reply? I know you are, but what am I? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Tell me, have you seen a sunset turn into a sunrise? Kiss right through the night. So thank you for watching. See you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Bye.